Pain is common among us as we grow older and even during our everyday activities. Pain is also normal after a workout, injury or when sick. In fact, the National Institute of Health estimates that 11% of US adults struggle with chronic pain. Pain can also be a sign of a more serious underlying health condition, and in this video, we look at some common pains that should never be ignored. 1. Numbness or burning in the legs or feet. Numbness or burning in the feet or legs could be a sign that you are suffering from diabetic neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy occurs when the nerves in your legs and feet are damaged as a result of high blood sugar levels. Symptoms of diabetic neuropathy range from mild to severe depending on the damaged nerves. According to the National Diabetes Statistics Report done in 2020, 34.2 million Americans have diabetes and another 88 million have pre-diabetes, which is when your blood sugar levels are higher than normal but not high enough to warrant a diabetes diagnosis. Diabetic neuropathy affects at least 50% of people with diabetes. This pain may be accompanied by several other symptoms such as dry mouth, frequent urge to pee, excessive thirst, blurry vision and dry itchy skin. 2. Persistent pain in the jaw, chest, arm or belly. Chest pains range from mild to severe in intensity. You may feel a burning sensation or tightness in your chest as if you are being crushed. This pain may travel from your chest to your neck to your jaw and travel back to your arms. The pain may come and go and intensify when you engage in any activity and normally lasts for more than a few minutes. If you experience this type of pain, you should contact your health provider immediately, as this could be a sign of a serious life-threatening condition. These are common symptoms of a heart attack and other heart-related conditions. Heart-related chest pains will also be accompanied by other symptoms such as shortness of breath, weakness and dizziness and nausea and vomiting. If you experience these symptoms or if you are unsure about your symptoms, call your doctor immediately, as this is the only way to be sure. 3. Sudden severe headache. Mild headaches are common in our lives as a result of stress, dehydration, fatigue, hangovers among other causes. However, if you experience a sudden and excruciating type of headache, this can be a sign that your brain is bleeding, a condition known as brain hemorrhage. This could be as a result of a stroke, high blood pressure, brain tumor or an accident. Brain bleed cuts oxygen supply to the brain, causing cells in the brain to die, and this causes the painful headaches. Other symptoms to look out for include nausea and vomiting, seizures, blurry vision, numbness and tingling on one side of the body, difficulty speaking, lack of balance and loss of consciousness. If you experience any of these symptoms, call 911 immediately, as this is a medical emergency. 4. Back pain. Back pain is another common type of pain and is often as a result of poor posture, standing for long hours, workout injury, carrying heavy loads among other common factors. However, if you experience a sharp and sudden back pain, this could be a sign of a tear in the aorta. This condition is also known as the aortic dissection. The aorta is the main artery that carries blood away from the heart to other parts of the body such as the brain, muscles, cells and other vital organs. This condition is caused by chronic blood pressure that leads to weakening of the aortic wall, causing it to tear. Blood then rushes through the tear, causing the inner and mid part of the aorta to separate or dissect. If the blood fills up in this area and ruptures through the outer aortic wall, this could be fatal. Other symptoms to look out for include sudden severe chest pain that may travel through the neck down to the back, paralysis in one side of your body just like in a stroke, sudden and severe abdominal pain, difficulty standing or walking and pain in the legs. Aortic dissection is however rare and is common among men in their 50s and 60s. Some people are also born with conditions such as Marfan syndrome or bicuspid aortic valve, characterized by a weak or enlarged aorta. 5. Swelling and pain in the calves. A cramp in the calves is somewhat normal from a strain or muscle pull and should not be necessarily worrying. However, if the pain is associated with swelling, it could be an indication of deep vein thrombosis. Deep vein thrombosis occurs when a blood clot forms in one of the deep veins in the body, normally in the leg. This can be a life-threatening condition if the blood clot breaks and travels to the pulmonary artery in the lungs, blocking blood flow to the lungs, causing what is known as pulmonary thrombosis. Pulmonary thrombosis is a life-threatening condition with symptoms such as shortness of breath, coughing up blood, increased heart rate, chest pains that get worse with each breath, dizziness and fainting. Deep vein thrombosis is associated with a couple other symptoms such as a warm feeling in the affected leg or discoloration on the affected leg. In some instances, deep vein thrombosis has no symptoms. Some risk factors for deep vein thrombosis include blood clotting disorders, use of birth control pills, obesity which causes high blood pressure, smoking, pregnancy, certain cancers and cancer treatment, heart failure among other factors. 6. Excruciating abdominal pain. Pain in the abdomen can be linked to several health problems, some more serious than others. It should be a concern when the pain is sudden, sharp and intense. Some serious health conditions associated with this type of pain are pancreatitis, gallbladder stones or gallstones, inflamed or bursting of the appendix and stomach ulcers. These conditions require immediate medical attention and sometimes surgery to treat. For people without access to medical care, conditions such as a burst appendix can be fatal. Did you find this video helpful? Do you have any contribution to make? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a new video.